In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Patreon video not playing. If a Patreon video refuses to load, keeps buffering, or just shows a blank player, don't worry. In many cases, the issue is not the video itself, but the way your browser or app is handling the embedded video player. A lot of Patreon videos rely on external hosting services, so even a small browser setting can stop playback from working properly. The first thing to understand is that browser and app fixes are usually the fastest solution. If the Patreon app is giving you trouble, try switching away from it first before assuming the video is broken. Open Patreon directly in a browser on your phone or computer and log in there instead. This is a very common fix because the mobile app can sometimes fail to load embedded players correctly, especially when the video is being served through a platform like Vimeo. Using a standard browser often gives the player a better chance of loading normally. If that doesn't solve it, clear your browser cache, cookies, and stored site data for Patreon. Old session data or corrupted cached files can interfere with video playback, even if everything looks normal on the page. After clearing that data, reload Patreon and sign in again so the site can start fresh. Next, check your privacy settings. If your browser has strict tracking protection enabled, it may block parts of the video player from loading. Turn off strict privacy shields, enhanced tracking protection, or settings like prevent cross-site tracking if you're using a browser such as Firefox or Safari. These protections are useful in general, but they can sometimes be too aggressive for embedded media. Along with that, make sure your browser is not blocking all third-party cookies. Video hosts often use them to confirm that you have permission to view the content. If third-party cookies are completely blocked, the player may appear but never actually start. You don't necessarily need to change every privacy setting forever, but temporarily allowing this access can help confirm whether that's the cause. If you still prefer using the Patreon app, the last fix is to reinstall it. Sign out of the app first, uninstall it, restart your phone, and then install the latest version again. This helps remove any app-related glitches and ensures you're running the most current build. In most cases, one of these fixes will get your Patreon video playing again. Start with the browser method, then work through the settings carefully, and you should be back to watching your content without any issues.